मेरी जिंदगी एक खुली किताब की तरह है।
ऐसी खुली किताबों में हमारी दिलचस्पी बहुत ज्यादा है।
In recent years, the landscape of Bollywood has changed significantly. With the rise of OTT streaming services and on demand cinema has changed how we consume movies. Also, people are demanding better movies. It is safe to say that Indian audience has grown mature even when it comes to cinema. To some extent, even a film industry and producers are slowly realizing what people want and what they might need. India is extremely diverse. In a country with over 1,000 languages and dozens of film industries, demand for variety content and demand for diverse movies is inevitable. People are open to watch cinema in languages other than their own more than ever. This makes India a perfect market for all production houses and streaming services to release their work. And of course, screenplays have to relate with the Indian audience. This has led to a lot of creative ideas and innovative genres. People have something new and good to watch every month, whether it's a movie in theater or web series on the internet. Everyone is enjoying. Stop. That's it. All the preaching ends here. Now let's talk about the other end of the spectrum when a movie's only intention is to get people on a hype train with a subpar movie and expecting nothing more from their own work. One such movie is Chehre, released only few weeks ago in August 2021. It has all the elements that makes me resent this subset of films. The worst part of such movies is that they don't give credit or even acknowledge their source material. Chehre is based on a crime novel, A Dangerous Game, but not even once from its announcement in 2019 to its release in 2021, not even once its source material was mentioned. And they cannot even say that we are inspired from the book. No, they copied scenes from the book as they were and pasted them in their screenplay with some tweaks, of course. Like a school kid copying homework. I never had any problem with remakes or adopting story from different media, but at least give credit when it's due. So they had an interesting concept, a good story, a leading cast of Amitabh Bachchan and Imran Hashmi with success written on it. And still they failed to deliver. It was evident from the first quarter of the film that very low effort has been put in making of the movie. It had every generic dialogue with added couple of shairis. Even Amitabh's delivery could not make them interesting, not to mention terrible pacing in the movie. The core of the plot does not even begin until the interval. So, for the first half of the movie, characters just sit around and talk and talk and talk even more. I have said this before and I say it again. Boring movies are the worst kind of movies. In fact, they could not even steal right. They changed the climax of the book, which was one of the exhilarating parts of the story, into another generic scene. I don't get it. Why everything is so boring in this movie? Let's come to the other side of the screen and talk about audience or one particular part of the public. Here is one of the movie reviews from Google. Please take a good read at it because I really cannot tolerate any more headaches. Now we are all well known about controversy regarding Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput. But should we really burn somebody at a stake because only a handful of people think that she is a literal witch? Seriously, people so far has only used this unfortunate case to put forth their agenda and spread political propaganda. Why else would people post word to word exactly same review? Well, I know, because it is a propaganda. Seriously, what is wrong with people? How in red heaven people even manage to hate someone or group of people that they have never met, whose existence does not affect you at all? So much hate? I want to conclude this by saying that even though landscape of Bollywood or film industry in general has significantly changed positively, but a lack of soul in a movie will keep dragging it down. Not to mention some people's attempt to drag Bollywood out of its lane and malign its reputation for the sake of selfish agendas ruins all the progress industry has made so far. In the end, please like this video and comment down below your thoughts whether you agree or disagree, and don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.